Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Outdoor Medic here. We're going to be going over the last of the subscription boxes for today, and this one is going to be survival boxes. Alright, so this is the Gear Only XL box. They have multiple different tiers. You have the Gear Only for $30 a month. That one is a smaller version of this. There's the Gear Only XL, this one right here, runs $89.99. Has the maximum amount of gear that if you are more looking for a gear overhaul. You also have Bravo. The Bravo box is nothing but food and water, so if you're looking to stock up on food and water stores, that's a good way to go. It's a lot of freeze-dried meals, some emergency water packs, seeds, things like that. And you also have the Alpha Box. The Alpha Box, for those of you that are just trying to get into preparedness, survival, gear such as that, it's a good little mix-up. You get a little bit of food, a little bit of water, some seeds, and then your little dashing of gear in it as well, and that one's going to run you, I believe, $49.99 last time I checked. So let's get into Gear Only XL. We're going to take a look, see what we got in here. So every month they have a little mission down here. This one is going to be your survival hunting modern and primitive. So here's the different boxes that tells you what you're getting each one. Oh, I almost forgot. So there is also the water only box. That is consistent throughout every month. Gives you some water purification, and then a way to filter water as well. We're going to be going off of this one right here. So suggested price is $177.99. That's the Amazon value. Thing I like about survival boxes is they go off of the price that they normally find off of Amazon. Here's the price you pay. So you're looking at saving some good money there. We're going to be going piece by piece, price by price. We're going to go through every item here. So let's start with the first one here. So small game snares traps. This one right here. I'm going to move this out to the side. Alright, so just your basic wire snares. Nothing super fancy about them. Seem like pretty good quality though. It doesn't say who they're made by, and I don't see any insignias or anything on any of them. But good quality snare. Looks like you get 2 of them. And their value on that is going to be $6.98. Alright, next item, we're going with the Mossy Oak Knuckle Boom Going with the Mossy Oak Knuckle Boom Day Pack. Alright, I think it's this one right here. Alright, so this one runs $84.74. Out. Shifting some stuff around here. It feels nice. It's got that kind of felt feeling to it. Obviously mossy oak. Starting with the pack here, you got some zippers along the waistbands. This feels like it's made out of your typical little kind of nylon, not like a canvas or anything like that. Zippers feel like pretty good. Ooh, bumping the camera. But zippers do feel like pretty good quality. They're you've got an under and an over pouch around your waist. I always enjoy having those. Makes it a little bit easier to get to things. water retention system, multiple clasps around the waist, side here. Go into the part that people can see. Looks very roomy. It says it's a what? I'm not seeing this. Oh, there we go. Day pack, 40-liter pack. Multiple pockets here on the sides for drinks and such. Looks like he has some side pouches. Inside kind of has that cheapy feel. Very nylon feeling. I think the zippers so far are the thing that impresses me the most about this. Just they feel pretty well made. Nice. Looks like you got a place to put a water bladder. Multiple places to tuck things away. Not a bad pack though. Honestly, I don't think that it's worth $90 like they say, but it is mossy oak and they tend to kind of fluctuate their price or inflate them, I mean. So, but not a bad pack. It seems like it's decently made, last you a little while at least. Nice little thing though. Let's set that off to the side. Alright, next item we got on the agenda is the Mossy Oak Hunter's Utility Rope with hooks. It's going to be this guy right here. So this one, Mossy Oak Utility Rope with hooks. Next we have the 4-tine frog and fish spearhead. This guy right here. Looks like you take it and you can put it into either a branch or a broom or something like that. Fits in socket right here, screws in right there. 4 different points, obviously meant for spear fishing. Not a bad little thing to have, but you're going spear fishing, you're pretty desperate in some places, so not bad. They list that price at $5.99. Oh, and the utility rope with hooks is $10.98. Next one we got is the Mossy Oak LED cap light. So a little light fits on your cap here. 5 different lights. Let me take this out and see what we got going on. Alright, so straight out of the package we got little cap light here. It does come with 2 of the watch style batteries, those CR2032s. Let's see how good this thing works here. Where's the 2 reds, clear, and you can do all at once. Not too bad. Not super bright either. Got a little blast there. But nice little guy to have with you if you're going out and you got your ball cap on, need some light. Basic little thing. Very useful for hunting, obviously. Next we have the Mossy Oak Hunter's Duffel Bag. This one comes in a box right here, so let me get a good view of it. Let's take this guy out. Alright, so we have this Mossy Oak duffel bag. Good size. I think it's a little bit bigger than the backpack actually. Same style, same zippers, same kind of feel to it. Looks like it does have a little bit more of a rugged bottom. Good obviously for duffel bags when you're trying to set it up and down. Basic plastic clips. Kind of cheesy Velcro, to be honest, but not too bad. Got some multiple places inside here. Like I said, good feel throughout the bag itself. in terms of quality on the bottom and the outside netting. So I see the padding. Basic, very, very basic padding. Nothing real good about that. Your basic nylon straps here. They're very, I don't know, they're very, I don't know. I think they're a little cheap, but could be worse. Overall, not too bad of a duffel bag though. Alright, best item here, we have the SOG Field Assisted Folding Knife. 3.5-inch blade, 5CR15 steel, so not like a great steel, but looks like a pretty cool knife. Let's get this guy open. Alright, got the SOG all put out here. Looks like it has a back spine close locking system. Definitely assisted. I guess you... Ooh, okay. Got this kind of like this G10 plastic right here. Definitely an aluminum handle. Very light. Definitely tell that all the weight's there in the blade itself. One type of clip, can't really change that around, can't even change it from side to side there. Good old logo, SOG. Alright, let me grab some paper. Alright, I'm back with some, well, sort of paper, it's an envelope, but let's see how this cuts here. Not bad. Could definitely use some sharpening down at the base. Could definitely be worse, but it's pretty good. I don't think it could. Yeah, it's pretty much actually pretty much good enough to shave with. Not bad there. Alright. Final item is it always comes with a survival knowledge card. So the survival knowledge card kind of brings together everything that you get in the box itself. So here we have ways to develop deadfall traps, basics of snaring, goes over snaring a little bit, hanging a bear bag, I'm assuming that's what the bags are in here for. Some close-ups there for you. Every month they come out with a new one, so you can go ahead and collect these as time goes on. You'll get a little book to put them in when you first start subscribing. This one here is number 34. There's a way to get all the ones behind, so don't worry about that one. But going forward, you'll eventually get more and more, depending on what the different, I guess, themes of the boxes are. Alright, doing a little sum up. We got the duffel bag. This one's going for $29.95. We got the Mossy Oak backpack. This one's going for $84.74. We got the hook and line here. This one's going for $10.87. We got the SOG knife. This one's going for $28.49. Your survival knowledge card, your LED headlamp. This one's going for $10.99. You have the fish spear hook. That one's going for $5.99, and the 2 snares going for $6.98. Giving you a total Amazon value of $177.99. Overall, is it worth the $89.99? I would say so. There's some items in here that I just don't see myself using too much. For example, the fishing spear, I don't really see a use for that. The utility rope and hooks, not really a tree hunter. so I don't really see myself using that too much. Maybe a way to hang up the bag. I don't know. Not really too big of a fan of this. Overall, I think it's a pretty good array, especially for someone starting out. Even for people that aren't really big into hunting, you got two really good bags as long as you like camo. A knife, some flashlight. So overall, it's definitely worth the price. I'll continue bringing this stuff to you guys for survival boxes. If you guys want me to check out any of the other survival boxes, like survival boxes Alpha, Bravo, Gear Only, and Water, just pop it in the comments below, and I will check those ones out for you guys as well. Alright guys, it's kind of wrapping it up for me. I'll see you guys in the next video. This Outdoor Medic out.